Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by going to the exact message that holds the photo. Once the message is open, examine whether the photo is inline, an attachment, or a linked image. This matters because removal steps differ. If it's an attachment, look for a download or remove icon. If it's inline, you may need an edit or forward draft route. Make sure you have permission to modify the message if it's shared. Now select the photo or attachment so you can apply the removal action in the next step. Once you've selected the photo, perform the appropriate removal. Click a remove or trash icon on the attachment, or choose edit/forward as draft to delete inline images from the message body. If deleting an attachment, confirm the deletion prompt. Make sure you don't accidentally delete other files. If you prefer to replace the image, download it, edit it on your device to remove content, then reattach the edited file. Keep in mind changes locally don't affect recipients who already received the original email. Finalize by saving your edited message or sending the corrected version. This ensures future recipients receive the cleaned copy. Then verify by checking your sent or drafts folder and asking a recipient to confirm the photo is gone. If you still see the image, make sure the client refreshed. Clear cache or restart the app and reopen the message. If recipients already downloaded the original attachment, explain and resend the corrected file. Once done, double-check permissions and email settings to prevent recurring attachments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.